Hello guys, this is Clara once again and welcome to Cooking with Clara. If you love chicken, pork, rice, then this is the video just for you. So you better enjoy it. So let's start the ball rolling. What you need? Well, you need some rice, you need some cauliflower, you need some tomatoes, onions, green pepper, tomato paste, and you also need some pork, which I've already seasoned, some leftover chicken there, you need some pink salt, olive oil, and we also need some, chicken spice. Yes, let's start by washing the rice. When we wash our rice, we are going to rinse it. Just drain the water. And again, we are going to just, wash it a bit more. There we go. Drain the water again. But sometimes the rice can be very dirty and you have to do it a lot of time. But for this one, it's fine just 2 times. Yes, so the next thing that we are going to do is to put the rice in the pot. Once the rice is put in the pot, I'm going to put some water. That's like 1 glass of water for a start. And then afterwards, that's when we are going to put it on the stove. Yes. So there we go. We're going to let it boil for some time. So once we are waiting for the rice to be cooked, oh, by the way, we put some cooking oil. And half teaspoon of, salt. Our pork is there. And I'm going to put it in the grill because I want to grill it. Yes, so now the next thing to do is to put some cooking oil on the pan. And then we are going to fry all the ingredients, the green pepper, the tomatoes. Yeah, while the rice is getting ready, we're just going to put everything at one go. There we go. Everything is there. Going to mix them together. And this takes just maybe about 5 minutes. We add some salt, that's half teaspoon of salt. Keep on mixing. And we have to make sure that all the ingredients are cooked well. While the rice is, boiling there, we are going to add the spice for rice. Oh, I just like that color. If you don't have rice spice, you can also use turmeric. It's also nice and nutritious. Then it's not enough. Let me add some more rice spice there. I like the smell of that spice. Keep on mixing. Let's see how the tomatoes and onions are doing. Well, they're doing great. And once we see that, they are cooked now, I can add my broccoli. By the way, this broccoli is just straight from my garden. Full of life, very healthy. And the rice there is, cooking. I add some more water because I feel like I need to add another cup of water, and then mix so that the spice can also be well mixed. And there we go. Our broccoli is getting cooked here. Yes, I'm doing things double. So I mix nicely. And now at this point, I'm going to add some chicken. First water. I add some water first before I do chicken. And then let it simmer a bit. The rice is cooking. Let's check on the broccoli. Okay. I think this is the right time to add my chicken. Let it simmer for about 4 minutes. The rice is also cooking here. It looks almost ready. And the broccoli and chicken are also ready. Yes, that looks nice. Let's stir a bit. It's ready. It's going to simmer a bit. Now, things didn't work out. My grill, you guys, stopped working, so I decided to fry the pork. The results are the same. So, after a few minutes, I'm turning my pork to the other side. I like it when it's well done. I turn it again. Look at that color. I just love that. If you need more protein, pork is the best as well. Wow, it's ready now, you guys. Our pork is ready. Now let me save for my husband, whom I've been preparing some lunch. I just hope he's going to enjoy it. This is his meal. As you can see, it looks so delicious and nice. Just giving him pork, but because he doesn't like, boiled chicken. And for myself here, I've added some pork together with, the chicken. Wow, he's eating. He's enjoying, I'm sure. He'll tell me the results afterwards. Wow. This is so nice, you guys. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.